I say let me make an update on my successful installation of the temperature gauge on my 505. This temperature gauge was got for me by our chairman Ikenna through AliExpress, and due to time factor he was unable to install it for me directly, but he gave me a working instruction that I came back and braved it and installed it by myself, and it's working. It's working very, very satisfactorily, that I may no longer risk the blowing up of my cylinder head gasket again, because I see that it's working. Only that what you can see here, the 505, this 1972, appears to be so undercooled. Yes, is it undercooled? Overcooled, because I started this car early in the morning to warm it up from zero, and this is just the only thing that it could attach. It's only when in hot afternoon like this I drive it, go and come back, that is when you see it maybe getting towards 60. But I don't think there is anything that you will do, you will drive and it will get to up to 60. Yes, even though mechanics will tell you that that is what is wonderful, but I don't think this goes well with our chairman Ikenna, because he will want it to be going, in fact, very fast, and temperature going at least, I don't know whether he wants it to reach 80, but I don't know the implications. Let me just continue on the issue of the installation. How I installed it is not just a long process like that, but it's a technical way that Oga Kenna directed me. The thermometer, this temperature gauge, came with its own. It came with its own sensor. Let me show you the sensor, and also the challenges of a little mechanics that I did. You can see a little job I did here. This is the sensor it came with, because it could not work with the sensor that is on the cylinder head. So I thought of what to do, and this particular pipe you see here was that place they normally cut off from water pump. They blocked it with one plug, one spark plug. So I removed the plug and cut this yellow pipe from my gas cylinder in the kitchen. But when I looked it, I saw that the size was exactly the size of this sensor. So I now cut it and put it inside that small pipe I cut. Now put the pipe inside this water hose coming from the water pump. I connected this wire as a ground, because this is rubber and it could not conduct anything to give this sensor the ground it needed. So, but this is the main positive end of this sensor. This very wire now you see on the positive end goes straight to the sensor unit of that temperature gauge in the dashboard. So I ran wire from there into the dashboard, and this other wire just joined it on the ground of the vehicle. So what other ones? The other ones that you will notice is that there is a black wire and a red wire at the back of this sensor. Sorry that you cannot see it because I have already covered it. But what that wire is that I connected the red one to the parking light, to the park light of the car, and connected the black one normally on ground. This one is that in the night, when you turn it on, you can see the light shows. It's just like a park light. You see it. If I talk my park light, the light comes on. Yes. So this is it, and by the grace of God, I installed it and it works fine. It works.